Cell, the basic unit of life. All, all organisms are made of cells. There are single celled and multicellular organisms. Single celled organisms are amoeba, paramecium, and euglena, etc. More complex organisms, including plants and animals, are multicellular. The cells are defined as the structure and functional unit of living organisms. A cell is the basic structure unit of all unicellular and multicellular organisms. Cell is the smallest unit and building block of life. Cells exist in various shapes and sizes and perform a wide range of activities. Their shape and size are related to the function they perform. The basic properties of life are movement, respiration, hemostasis, growth, reproduction, excretion, and nutrition. A cell does all type of these basic properties of life. Movement. Living things show movement either externally or internally. Respiration. Living things use substance from the environment to make energy. Homeostasis. Living things maintain a stable internal environment. Growth. Living things can move and change shape or size. Reproduction. Living things produce offspring either sexually or asexually. Excretion. Living things exhibit the removal of waste products. Nutrition. Living things exchange material and gases with environment.